Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing party makeup look, and you can do this in party any faction, it's up to you. So doing my eyebrows, and let me give you a disclaimer, I have never made my eyebrows. It means I have never thread them or like shaved them anything. It's natural. Using this pencil from Korea and this eyebrow gel from Essence, so you can use this any whatever you want, whatever you have. So I'm using this. Then I'm gonna be using concealer. I forgot to, I don't know which concealer it was. It was a local concealer. You can take any shade, anything you want. Even you can use eye primer. I'm gonna be setting with the white or peach color, whatever color you have. If you have a setting powder, but I'm going to use this eye colors white and peach to set up that. Then I'm gonna be taking this light purplish color in my crease with the small brush. So just like dabbing it off, and then I'm gonna be blending. You can see I've just like dab it in, as you can see, and now I will blend it. It's just for like, I'll give you a nice way of it. I get my point. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild brush for blending it. To take this pink color on your outer corner, so that you can just, it will give you a nice look with the sharp, you know as you can see, that purple color is blended and the pink color has a sharp edge. I'll clean that, and as you can see also, the fallout is on point. I'm going to take this flat brush. Make sure it's a flat brush. You can use any brush like that you're comfortable with, and I'm doing a cut crease. This is the cut crease. I have like a hooded eyes kinda, so I'm doing this, and you have to do a half cut crease. It's up to you how much you want, but I like half cut. Then I'm going to take a beautiful shimmer, glittery, sheen, purplish color. You can take any you want, but I like purple. As you can see, I have applied this on my crease, that cut crease one, and that looks so good. That looks so nice. You can also use a glitter, but I have used the metallic. I'm gonna be taking Essence Superfine eyeliner. Oh my god, I don't know how to explain this. I don't feel this is good or bad. It's just medium. It's good for beginners. Super. Now as you can see, I have applied the liner, a small little wing. It's up to you if you want a harsh wing, if you want no wing, but I like a wing, so I did a wing. So now I'm taking this white shimmer color. I know this is something black is not good. I don't know what is this, but this color is super awesome for highlighting inner corners. And then I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess mascara. It's, I don't know, studded volume something. It's amazing, but it's not worth. Then I just pop on some of the lashes and we are done. So it's up to you, whatever lashes you want. I like lightweight. Thank you guys for watching my video, and like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel for the new videos. And I know the lash is a little bit of